If this is your first time watching my videos, welcome to Conversations on the Heart. Today I wanted to talk to you about a specific ingredient that is important in making relationships thrive over time: flexibility. If you are in a relationship, then you know full well that life is full of unexpected challenges, different personalities, different transitions, and evolving circumstances. And the truth is that a rigid approach can only create tension, misunderstandings, and conflict. So my message to you this week is less a revelation and more a reminder that we catch more flies with honey, as the saying goes. And being flexible in our interactions and situations allow us to grow together rather than drift apart. So you may be thinking, okay, that's obvious. But as we all know, common sense is not so common. Take, for example, the skyscrapers in the world. Did you know they were engineered to sway in the wind? The Burj Khalifa, as an example, towering above its 206 stories, making it the tallest building in the world, was engineered to sway and bend up to 2 meters in high winds. It was a remarkable feat of engineering that teaches us a valuable lesson. Rigidity leads to fracture, while flexibility ensures resilience. Well, we aren't much different. In our relationships, we encounter gusts of disagreements, storms of misunderstandings, and torrents of emotions. Yet, like the Burj Khalifa, we must learn to sway and bend, to adapt, to adjust and compromise so that we don't break under the winds of life. Now, flexibility doesn't mean that we give up something that matters to us or that we suddenly compromise our values. It means that we approach challenges with the mindset of growth and embracing the idea that together we are better than apart. Because when individuals come together and they are willing to bend, to listen, to compromise, and to be open to other perspectives, we create a deeper connection that is built on trust and respect. And yes, sometimes it is hard, and sometimes we do feel like we're losing something. But true flexibility is not about losing anything. It's not about losing who we are. It's about finding harmony in a space where both people can thrive. Think about it for a second. Just like the trees bend but don't break in the wind, we too can find strength in our ability to yield, to flex, to forgive, to understand. Flexibility is what gives us the resilience to face the hard times and the grace to navigate those moments smoother. So let's take inspiration from the skyscrapers and the trees around us and embrace flexibility as the cornerstone of our relationships. When we are willing to bend and to adapt together, we create the foundation that can withstand the inevitable winds that life throws our way. Thank you for joining me and for subscribing to my channel and for sharing this video with anyone who may need to hear this message. I will see you on the next episode.